Hi, I am from Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to install Node.js and NPM on Windows 11. If you're a developer looking to get started with Node.js on your Windows machine, this step-by-step guide will help you get everything up and running. Let's dive right in. Step 1. First of all, go to Google and type download Node. From the search results, click on the first link from nodejs.org. Step 2. Once the page loads, you'll see two download options. You need to choose the right one for your system. For most people, the Windows installer version is the best choice, so go ahead and click on that. Step 3. By default, it will download the x64 version. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to open the installer. Step 4. Now the Node.js installer will open. First, click Next. Then read and accept the terms in the license agreement. Click Next again, then continue clicking Next until you reach the installation process. Step 5. Finally, click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's finished, click Finish to exit the installer. Step 6. Now, let's check if Node.js was installed successfully. Press the Windows key, type Command, and open Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type Node version and press Enter. You should see the version number for Node.js. Step 7. To check if NPM Node Package Manager is working, type npm-version in the command prompt and press Enter. You should see the NPM version. That's it. Node.js and NPM are now installed and ready to use on your Windows 11 machine. You're all set to start building Node applications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech guides.